Welcome everyone to this exciting presentation on Naked Forex Trading 2.0. My name is Rodney Taylor and I am thrilled to be here today to share my knowledge and experience with you. As many of you know, Forex trading can be a complex and challenging endeavor. But with the right tools and strategies, it is possible to achieve success and profitability. That's where Naked Forex Trading 2.0 comes in. It is a revolutionary approach that strips away the unnecessary complexity and focuses on the essentials of trading. And today, I'm going to show you how it works. Naked Forex Trading is a unique approach to trading that involves making decisions based solely on price action, without the use of indicators or other technical analysis tools. This approach is often used by experienced traders who have developed a deep understanding of market dynamics and are able to interpret price movements with a high degree of accuracy. Unlike traditional trading methods that rely heavily on complex indicators and algorithms, Naked Forex Trading is all about simplicity and intuition. By focusing on price action alone, traders are able to cut through the noise and get a clearer picture of what's really happening in the market. Naked Forex Trading 2.0 is not just another trading strategy. It's a comprehensive approach to trading that takes into account the unique characteristics of the Forex market and provides traders with a clear edge over their competition. By focusing on price action and removing unnecessary indicators, Naked Forex Trading 2.0 allows traders to see the market more clearly and make better informed decisions. One of the biggest benefits of Naked Forex Trading 2.0 is its simplicity. Unlike other trading strategies that require complex algorithms or technical indicators, Naked Forex Trading 2.0 is easy to understand and implement. This means that traders can spend less time analyzing charts and more time executing trades, which can lead to higher profits and greater success in the long run. The Naked Forex Trading 2.0 strategy is a unique approach to trading that focuses on simplicity and clarity. Unlike traditional methods, which rely on complex indicators and technical analysis, Naked Forex Trading 2.0 uses only price action and simple chart patterns to identify trading opportunities. The key elements of this strategy include entry and exit points, risk management, and position sizing. Entry points are identified by looking for specific candlestick patterns or chart formations that indicate a potential trend reversal or continuation. Exit points are determined by using trailing stops or fixed targets based on the size of the trade. Risk management is crucial in Naked Forex Trading 2.0, and traders must be disciplined in their use of stop losses and position sizing to minimize potential losses. Finally, position sizing is used to ensure that each trade has an appropriate level of risk relative to the trader's account size. One of the most important tips for successful Naked Forex trading is to stay disciplined. This means having a clear trading plan and sticking to it, even when emotions are running high. It also means being patient and waiting for the right opportunities to present themselves. Another key tip is to focus on risk management. This involves setting stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and using proper position sizing to ensure that no single trade can have too much of an impact on your overall portfolio. By managing your risks effectively, you can protect your capital and avoid catastrophic losses. In conclusion, Naked Forex Trading 2.0 is a powerful strategy that can help traders become more profitable and successful in the Forex market. By focusing on price action and removing unnecessary indicators, traders can gain a clearer understanding of market trends and make more informed decisions about when to enter and exit trades. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and we will catch you on the next one.